Good afternoon, sir. I'm John Norbert Lansideras, and this is my answer on Activity 8. Palace Water Management or BWM protects the environment by reducing the introduction of invasive species into the new ecosystem through the treatment of ballast water belongs to release. Number 2, anti-flowing system. Anti-flowing system protects the environment by preventing biofouling in chip soils and reducing the spread in invasive species and minimize the need for harmful cleaning practice. C. Other contemporary regulations or requirements. Beyond BMW and anti-flowing system, numerous international and nation regulation targets various aspects of shipping to minimize environment impact, including sulfur immersion and garbage disposal, oil pollution and prevention, and water waste management.